DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube? Gang, you don't know what time it is. The Dan is back in the lab. Yeah, man, gang, I see what we are dealing with today. Yeah, man, we're back with Swan Dan. Yeah, man, we're there with none other than Prince Swanny, the 𝐑𝐄𝐀 boss himself. And the one named Not Bad featuring Boy. Yeah, see me? And this is a good look. I'm glad to see Prince Swanny draw for Boy as a feature upon that album, you know. You see, I guess somebody that's not in a 6, 7 or another gang thing, but is a bad artist from out of Trinidad. And me like that. That's a good look. You see me what I'm saying? Yeah, man, gang. Yeah, man, boy, bad artist. I'm glad to see the feature. I'm interested to see what the man do with it. You see me? Because Prince Swanny, my talented boy, full of style, you know. You see me? So you never know. So we check it out and see what the man do. You see me? Gang, we're going to hold up the vibes much longer.
Bomb Squad.
You know, it's a Bomb Squad. Alright.
Me no.
Go on, son, where you know?
All who are buff up and act, me know them boy they not bad. All who are buff up and act, me know them boy they not bad.
We dog talk, we match your word, alright?
Bring it in the side, know them a dead boy. Big file them exile, big warm in the big side. Yeah, me and defend mine. Right fish shot bad like scavenger reptile. Now salute like 6'9".
Whoa. Swanny boy, I like this bad. The style, just the beat and the style alone and the lyrics, brother. Come on, man. Come on, man. Yo, this bad. Come on.
File them exile, big warm in the big side.
Pull up that, bro. All my tough up, we know them boy, they're not bad. Come in, man.
Bring it in the side, know them a dead boy. Big file them exile, big warm in the big side. Yeah,
me say big rinse it in the head side, big warm in the pig side. That boy saying anything in the alright, come in.
Defend mine.
What about saying anything?
Fish shot bad like scavenger reptile. Now salute like 6'9".
What's up?
Some beach boy. Me are the realest in this giant. Sticks them coming out this guy, so me burn them with pitch child. 15 of them big guy. No
wait, when you say 6 then coming out this guys? So me wait. What go on? Hold on. There's a lot of soul business being thrown in this. What go on?
Right fish shot bad like scavenger reptile. Now salute like 6'9". Some beach boy.
Wait, now salute like 6'9", like 6'9" them. Wait. That a go on? That I got try say? Somebody 6'9" them say, oh, bro, wait. No, hold on. You just have to say 6'9". Wait, this shit right here.
Right fish shot bad like scavenger reptile. Now salute like 6'9". Some beach boy. Me are the realest in this giant. Snakes them coming out this guy, so me burn them with
it says snakes them coming out this guy, so me burn them with picture. Alright, come on.
15 of them big guy, knocking it on your precise.
Big case, different design. My place, them no reside. Black twins to the 2-pack. Thug life like my 2-pack. Now wait for them shoot back. Bomb Squad execute that.
No, sir! We now wait for them shoot back. Bomb Squad execute that, bro. You mean, man? Tia, man, come in, listen to lyrics, man. Come on.
Different design. My place, them no reside. Black twins to the 2-pack. Thug life like my 2-pack. Now wait for them shoot back. Bomb Squad execute that. Anytime them want this, we wrap it up in a face.
Yeah.
Tacky made, woof, puff, somebody dead.
Tacky made, woof, puff, somebody dead. Come in now, man.
Them want this, we wrap it up in a face.
Tacky made, woof, puff, somebody dead. Rifle power patrol and go on the ends. Smarty dead, smarty big wire. Rifle them pin for this dryer. Full lemons, then put them in dire. Make real when the rifle them fire. Chucking face and block out them mire.
Easy to make way them rifle fire youth. Look out your face and hey, come in.
Smarty big wire. Rifle them pin for
destroyer. Fuck them then put them in tire. Make we when the rifle them fire. Sucking face and block out them fire. Them know we hit fryer. Them know we hit fryer. Big man taking a hand, pussy like.
I'm gonna need a video for this one, Dan. Clip this and send it to Swanny. We need a video for this now.
All who a buff up and act me know them boy they not.
Well, them not even give the dog a shout out when we request this. Come in, man. Come in, Trini man. Big up yourself, Trini man. 1265. Big up yourself, me G. Yeah, man. Yeah, hey, come on, Swanny snap. Boy, snap. Clip this and send it to them. Prince Swanny, boy, yo, y'all went crazy on this shit.
Act me know them boy they not bad.
I'm on them calm by the beat to the lot.
All who a buff up and act me know them boy they not bad. All who a buff up and act me know them boy they not bad.
That's facts. Badness now wear pan face, yo. Ease yourself. Yo, this bad. Hey, clearless. Yeah, man. All them are tough up and act. Me know them boy they not bad. Woo! Come on, man. Yo. Yeah, man. They did their thing on this one. Yeah, man, gang. You already know what time it is, man. Yeah, man. Trini man, 1265. Big up yourself for the request again. You see me? I say, yeah, man. Shout out to you, my G. Prince Swanny, you did your thing on this shit, my boy. I ain't gonna lie. Zoogie and motherfucking thing that we just dropped. What the Time Bomb is on this album, right? I believe so. Yeah, man. Yo, you went crazy, man. G. Keep doing your thing, gang. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man. We keep reacting to the album. You see me? I say, yeah, man. Keep reacting to the album. Drop if you want me to do more songs, and if you want me to do the full album straight. So far we only listen to Time Bomb and Not Bad. So I might drop the whole entire album. Might do it live, or I might drop the video. So let me know in the comment section. Do you want it live or in a video? You already know what time it is, gang. Till next time. Don't know your boy Jambisco. Oh, by the way, drop your comments, drop your thoughts. Let me know what your favorite part of beats, lyrics, melody. You already know what time it is. And yeah, like you go show that to some of us. Make sure sign Dan channel. See me? Yeah, man. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.